Hello, welcome. Today we will explore on household chores and their importance. Household chores are essential tasks that need to be performed regularly to maintain a clean and organized home. These chores contribute to the overall well-being of the household and its occupants. Let's explore some common indoor and outdoor chores and their significance. Indoor chores. 1. Kitchen chores. Washing dishes. Keeping beads, bowls, cups, and utensils clean ensures hygiene and prevents the spread of germs. Wiping counters. Regularly disinfecting kitchen counters maintains cleanliness and prevents food contamination. Sweeping and mopping floors. Removing dirt and debris from the kitchen floor prevents slips and accidents. Taking out the trash. Proper disposal of garbage prevents unpleasant odors and pests. 2. Bathroom chores. Scrubbing the toilet. Regular cleaning of the toilet bowl ensures sanitation and prevents the buildup of harmful bacteria. Wiping the sink. Clean bathroom sinks prevent the accumulation of toothpaste residue and maintain hygiene. Cleaning the shower. Removing soap scum and disinfecting the shower prevents mold and mildew growth. Sweeping and mopping floors. Regular floor cleaning keeps the bathroom hygienic. 3. Living room chores. Dusting surfaces, dusting furniture and surfaces maintains a clean and pleasant living environment. Vacuuming carpets and rugs. Regular vacuuming removes dust, allergens, and dirt from carpets. Wiping down. Items. Cleaning countertops and stovetops prevents the spread of germs. Cleaning hard floors. Mopping hard floors keeps them free from dirt and stains. 4. Bedroom chores. Making the bed. A neatly made bed creates a sense of order and relaxation, changing bed sheets and pillowcases. Regularly changing linens promotes comfort and hygiene. Outdoor chores. 1. Garden chores. Weeding and pruning. Maintaining the garden prevents overgrowth and promotes healthy plants. Watering plants. Proper hydration ensures plant health. Lawn mowing. Regular mowing keeps the lawn neat and attractive. 2. Garage chores. Organizing tools and equipment. A well-organized garage allows easy access to tools and prevents clutter. Cleaning and maintaining vehicles. Regular car maintenance ensures safety and longevity. Remember, these chores collectively contribute to a harmonious and well-functioning home. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you. Bye.